Okay, so I have my image here. I'm ready to print, or I've got it properly sized. And then so I want to come over here to my levels adjustment. Because usually when we print, things come out a little darker, so I might lighten the highlights a little bit and then come in here and open up the midtones. If you have a big gap over here, you can pull your black slider in, but right now I think it looks good. So I'm just going to close that. So that's my levels. I'm right here. Then I go up to Filter, Sharpen, Unsharp Mask. Actually, hold on, wait a minute. I made a mistake because I'm still on my levels layer, my adjustment layer, and I can't sharpen that layer. So let me make sure to come back here and click on my photo. I go to Sharpen, Unsharp Mask. Okay, so you want your normally you want your threshold at 3, your radius at 1, and then you just adjust the amount. And you can see up here it's giving you a preview. So you might click, say, on someone's face, and we can see there where there's hardly any sharpening. And I can come down here and sharpen it some more. With this, the focus is on the net behind them, so they're out of focus, so I'm maybe going to sharpen that a little bit more than I normally would. Then I do OK. Then I'm going to go to Print. So the first thing is to come up to Print Settings right here. And with paper size, you might need to choose it, but you want Super A3. That's the 13 by 19 paper that we use. So Super A3. So we've got that selected. You can just save that. So I'm getting this warning because right here it says the color handling is printer manages colors, but we want to use Photoshop to manage the colors. So I come over here, this is usually the default, but I can click here, so Photoshop manages colors. See that right here. And then with the printer profile, right here it says premium luster paper. I know on our box it says ultra premium, but this is just the proper profile for our paper, premium luster, and it's 3880. You know, that's the printer that we're using. So I'm going to select that. And now I can just click print and I'm good to go.